How to delete playlists on YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete playlists on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do to delete one of your playlists on YouTube is to open the YouTube app. Then go to your library at the bottom right corner. As you can see here are your playlists. You can scroll left to right to choose what do you want to delete, or you can click this view all button to see all your playlists at once. And here I only have 3 playlists in my account. An example, I want to delete the random playlist. What I need to do is to tap the 3 dots on the right side and choose delete. Or you can click the playlist and also click the 3 dots on the top right corner and delete. And now you know how to delete playlists on YouTube. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video. Peace.